Hello, this is Emil Watson back again with another video on the free lead system. As you can see, I'm logged in. Um, After you sign up, these are some quick things you can do. Um, you can click right here, check out this, and it depends on what you have to promote. That goes right there. You know what I mean? And you can click right here, and that's your link. So anything you're promoting goes right there because this is a great system. And I think it's just to tell you something that most marketers are not going to tell you. You need a marketing system that does all the selling and telling for you. All you can do, or you should do, is just make videos. And that's the underlying secret that most internet marketers are not going to tell you, that they have a system in place. You know, and you might say, Mil, what's up with the training? All right, I'll show you. The training right here. Boom. It tells you how to get a free domain to your system. And you should, and here's the thing, you should stand out from everybody else. And I'll click right here and show you. And then it has a video telling you how to do it. That's the cool thing about this free, amazing system. And you can check out the video and learn. You can rewind and watch it again if you didn't get it all in one shot. And that's why this system is so great. Let me back up. And you can do it like here, day one, day two, day three. You know, how to create a subdomain. Learn about that. I'll click right here. Show you guys this. You know, because here's the thing, people, you need a system. And if you don't got a system, you're hustling backwards. And that's the God honest truth about this game of network marketing and affiliate marketing. That's something that most people are not going to tell you. If you don't have a system in place, you're hustling backwards. Straight up, you know, just that simple. Um, this is the end of this video. My next video will be me showing you guys what I promote using the system. Until next time, take care. Oh, before I go, it's going to blink at the bottom of this video.